Welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how we can access the new income tax portal. Now see, this is the website of new income tax portal, that is www.incometax.gov.in. Here we can find everything for filing of our income tax return. First of all, we need to click login. If you have the login ID which had been created in the old income tax website, if you don't have your login ID, or if you are the first time user, then you need to click register. You need to give all the details over here. But as I want to show you how we can file income tax return, I'm clicking on login as I have my income tax login ID which was created earlier in the old website. Now I'm clicking on login. Here, after clicking login, we need to give our user ID, which might be PAN, Aadhaar, or the respective user ID which can be created by any individual. Now I'm giving my PAN details. Then click on continue. Then I need to confirm that this is a secure access. Then I need to give the password. Then I click continue. The password which I provided is the old one which was used at the time of login through the old portal, and then I click continue. This is my dashboard. Here we can update our profile. The profile completion status is showing over here, that is the profile is completed 70%. So I can complete my profile for the remaining part. For this I need to click on update profile, otherwise we can skip this one. Now I am directly going to the e-filing option, that means through which we can file our income tax return. Now for filing income tax return we need to click e-file. If we click on e-file, then through the drop down box we need to choose income tax return. Here in income tax return we will file different options. The first option is file income tax return. We need to click on that if we want to file this return right now. Then we need to choose the assessment year. If we choose the current assessment year, then we don't have any other options. But if we want to modify our earlier return, then we can select that one, and we can modify our return. But for the current finance assessment year, we don't have any other option to select any other things. Then we need to click on continue. Then there are two modes of filing in return of income tax, that is online, which is recommended, and offline, that is through using HTML utility. Now I click on online, then I click on proceed. I want to start file a new return. I need to click on that, start new filing. Now I need to click the details of the assessee, individual, then click on continue. Then I need to choose which ITR form is suitable for me. Now based on my PAN database, it is showing that ITR 1 or ITR 4 can be filled up. So there is an option that help me decide which ITR form to file, or there is an option that I know which ITR form I need to file. Now if you don't know which income tax return you want to file, then you have to click on proceed. For income tax portal, for guiding, income tax portal will guide you how to select the income tax return form, or otherwise you can choose the ITR 1 if you are a salaried individual, and other things which are mentioned in ITR 1. Then I click on proceed with ITR 1. Then there are few options that validate your return breakup. pre-filled. Confirm your return summary, verify and submit your return. Now these three are the steps to be followed for filing the income tax return. Now as I have chosen ITR 1, the details of ITR 1 is also given over here. Okay, now I click on let's get started. Here some declaration I need to give that taxable income is more than the basic exemption limit. If I have, then I click on that. Return filing of income due to fulfilling any one or more below mentioned condition as per 7th proviso of to section 139 subsection 1. If I deposited this one or if I comply this one, then I click on that. Then others might be there, so you can choose others and then click continue. Now some pre-filled informations are there based on my permanent account number database, and we need to just go through with that. That is some informations are there already which are already pre-filled. Okay, next I need to give my confirmation. That means I need to click on that personal information. All the personal informations will be there. I can edit the details. Then I need to choose the nature of employment. Then as I filing the return before the due date, it is by default 139 subsection 1, that is return filed on or before due date. Everything is written over here. Then I need to give the bank details. Then I need to confirm all these things. Then I need to give my gross total income. That means I need to give the income tax details, income details. I need to give the gross salary. I can give it anything. That means the gross salary as per form 16. I need to give all these things, and these things are to be given.